How to add swivel animation in Wix Studio. So in order to add a swivel animation, you can apply it into the image, text, as well as button. For this case, you can head over and choose any which one of these elements. So for this case, I'll head over and then choose in here this image. It should automatically open this inspector, but if it's not, just click onto this icon right here in order to open it. From in there, click onto this anime and effects. From in there, you can see in here this animations and effects. So scroll down until you can see this mouse effects option and click onto this add option. From in there, you can see the swivel, which is the last effect from this list. Click on it, and then from in there, you can head over and then just click onto this adjust anime. It should be able to show you a preview, so make sure to interact with this and you can see how it actually swivels with every movement of the mouse. So that's how you add swivel animation in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.